Hello, I'm going to navigate my profile and I'm Mukaula. This is me, and when I come here, this opens. That's my name, preferences, messages, private files, forum, discussion, my grades, badges. And when I log out, I log out here, and when I want help, I'll do it here. Let's go to profiles, the preferences, and then go to users. Okay, so it will be on in some few time. My laptop is a little bit slower. Okay, there are the preferences, users account, this edit file, preference language, forum preference, and so on. Then we can go through them and so on. Let's go to edit profile. Okay, in a minute it will be there. Come on. Okay. Okay, I've already edited my profile. Let me go a little bit back. Repositories, portfolios, miscellaneous badges. Let's do something badges. There's a block. I'll do something badge backup setting, of which I've already done. Let's check. Just a minute. It will be there. Right. There it tells that I've already been connected to get. Note, if you connect after everything that you do, don't forget to click on save. Thank you very much for listening.